Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Do you know it takes a lot of time and skill getting a plain beach umbrella into the sand deep enough that it won't fall over or blow away? Ammsun has this really nice anchor that screws into the ground, and it is super easy whether it's sand or dirt. It comes with this nice rod so you can twist it, and it is easy to install. It takes less than a minute, and then you just add your umbrella on top. It's very heavy and very sturdy. It had no problem holding up my entire 6.5-foot umbrella and a table with snacks on it. One thing I was concerned when I was screwing it in the sand, it was a little wobbly at the top because of how sand is. But because it goes so deep into the ground, it did not move. I had no problems, and it was really nice not worrying about the umbrella falling on our kids. It comes with this nice little adjustable ring, so it fits umbrellas from 1 to 2 inches. And it also comes with this really nice carrying bag.
But that's just my point of view.